Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency internet computer. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has very low trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save 20% on trading fees, so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. What you have to do here is just register on Binance, then deposit some money, and this money we will use to buy the cryptocurrency internet computer. How you do this step by step I will show you now. At first we will start at registration, therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you just create your account, and when your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit money, therefore just do it by clicking on this verify button and also on this one, and if verification is finished you can now deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just select your local currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer or credit card. And after you selected your payment method, you can now type in this field how much money you want to transfer. If your local currency is not supported, you can also click here on crypto and then you can deposit, for example, Bitcoin. This is also possible to buy internet computer. When the amount is fine for you, you just click here on continue, so that you now get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer. If you use it, the transfer will take for 1 to 3 business days, and when the money has arrived, we can continue by clicking here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. Here we have to convert our local currency into US dollar Tether. US dollar Tether is a stablecoin which is always $1, and the stablecoin we will then use to buy internet computer. So just type in this field how much money you want to invest and then convert it into US dollar Tether by clicking here on this button. After you click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot, where you will now get an overview of all your fiat balances and all your crypto balances, and here we will use the US dollar Tether to buy internet computer by just searching for it. Then you will see that it pop up here, and now you can click here on trade. If you deposited Bitcoin, you click here on this trading pair with Bitcoin. If you deposited your local currency and converted it into US dollar Tether, you click here on US dollar Tether. After you will come to the trading view where you can now buy the cryptocurrency internet computer. Therefore, we just scroll down, clicking here on market order. This means your order will be immediately filled, and then you just type in this field how much of your US dollar Tether, or if you use Bitcoin, how much of your Bitcoin you want to use to buy the cryptocurrency internet computer. After you are fine with the amount of money, you just click here on buy internet computer and your coins are bought. If you want to sell your internet computer coins in the future, you just go to the same page here, and this time you click here in this field and type in how much of your internet computer coins you want to sell, and then you click here on the sell button. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, and have a nice day. Bye bye.